Alright guys, welcome back to the TheCombustionGuys YouTube channel and Hunting Cars Online. Today we're looking at the 2022 Hyundai Kona. It looks pretty good. A little bit weird on the styling in the front, I think, but not bad. Let's go over to the build and price here and we'll hop on in and see what we got. Styling a little bit on the weird side, but other than that, pretty good. So standard features on the SE trim options include 32 miles to the gallon combined, 8-inch color touchscreen, forward collision avoidance, 147 horsepower out of the 2.0 4-cylinder, wireless Android, Apple CarPlay, and rear occupant alert. Interesting. Interior? Interesting. Okay, so let's go ahead and build here. Alright, quite a few color options look like. We have the Blue Wave, nice. The Luna White, Pulse Red, Thunder Gray. We obviously have the Cyber Silver, which we started out with. The Ultra Black, the Cactus Fern. Cactus colors, those have been getting pretty popular there. And Teal Island. Oh, I like it. Okay. Let's move on. Interior, obviously the gray cloth. Doesn't look too bad. You have the regular engine, or you have the all-wheel drive. We're going to stick with the regular version right now. We're not going to add in that until a later trim probably, but we'll check that out here in a bit. We can add mud guards, we can add a winter weather package. Not sure what that includes. Let's see. Don't press on that. Okay guys, whatever you do on the Hyundai website, just don't press these. I don't know what's going on, but those no good. Those are very bad. Don't touch those. So that's the only thing I would add. I guess we could just 22,715. That's base price. Add that, and you're looking at 2,400, So not bad. Okay, we're going to change the trim here. You're going to go to the SEL. Standard features include a 32 miles to the gallon combined, blind spot collision, Blue Link connected car system, rear cross traffic collision avoidance, and proximity key. Not a whole lot of change there. We'll go and look inside. And, oh, we get some two-tone options. That's the main difference, though. So there we go. A little two-tone right there, but that's about it. Not all the colors are going to get it. That looks pretty good, though. Pretty nice. No wheel options, I see. Interior gray. Same engine options there. Convenience package, Hyundai digital key, power sunroof, leather wrap steering wheel, hidden cargo, wireless device, heated front seats, automatic temperature control. That's going to add you $1,700 there. You can get roof rack rails, mud guards, the winter weather package, etc. So not a whole lot changing there. Go back to the trims here. The inline. So this is not the Kona in the performance. This is just a trim for it. It looks like a Juke. Looks like a Nissan Juke. That's what it looks like. 7-speed dual clutch transmission. Inline sports seats. You have 195 horsepower, 1.6 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster, and 18-inch wheels. So we'll go ahead and go and build this. So this is not like the dedicated but it's a variant of it, I guess. I'm not totally sure how that's working, but somehow it is. Black interior still. We'll go with all-wheel drive on this one. Just upgrade to that. Tech package. You get this for $2,500. You get the touchscreen navigation, dynamic voice recognition, highway driving assist, electronic parking brake, high beam assist, power sunroof, LED headlights, LED taillights. Only thing I'd probably want in this package is the headlight upgrade. That's probably the only thing I'd want on this. Wheel, rear bumper, etc. So not really a whole lot of options to add on. But if you just go ahead and add this in, you're going to be at about $31,000. And if you take this down, you'll be at about $30,000. So that's how that's going to work. Looks good though. Going over to the Limited, what changes here is leather trim seats, 18-inch alloy, whatever the word is, wheels, 195 horsepower out of the 1.6 liter turbocharged, etc. Go ahead and take a look here. We have Cyber Silver, Blue Wave, Luna White, all the same colors going on there. Go with the teal. I love that color. Looks good. You have the gray leather seats. You have the all-wheel drive option once again. You have like the mud guards, roof racks. Not a whole lot of options. That's really about it. So that's we'll just add in this here. Just go ahead and add that and the winter package here, and that's going to put you at 32,100 there. So not bad for a little SUV. Pretty decent overall. Alright, so now we're looking at the dedicated high-performance Kona N trim, or vehicle as they're going to be putting it. This comes standard with 276 horsepower, 2.0 liter turbocharged GDI 4-cylinder with 289 pounds of torque. You have the in-sport seats, you have the 8-speed dual clutch transmission, you have the 19-inch wheels. Interior looks pretty good. We're not about to press that button. That is, I don't know what's wrong with this website, but some of these buttons are not meant to be used. We have the Luna White and we have the black there. I'm surprised they don't have the patented blue on this. Very limited in the colors. Probably just go with the black, honestly. I like the red, but it doesn't, well, no, red looks pretty good. Okay, we'll go with the red. Black interior. Engine options, not much. Roof rack, mud guards, just add that on, and that's really it. So not much going on overall. So that is it. Engine upgrade is nice though, but 35,615 is going to be about where your price is going to be at. Obviously, there might be a few other options you might be able to work on, but other than that, that's going to be about where you're going to be. It looks like interior looked pretty good. That's actually, let's see if I can go back here and we'll actually look at the interior. Yeah, interior looks kind of tight down there. I'm not sure. Have to actually look at it, but it looks a little bit tight back there. But it looks pretty decent interior. Looks nice. Oh, there we go. Looks like we have the Elantra in down there. That's pretty cool. Alright, so back to the trim level. Honestly, 276 horsepower, 289 pounds of torque. Pretty good for a little SUV. Definitely like that. Seems like that's pretty good. I'm not sure if it's coming with like... oh, you also have the Pirelli P0 performance tires, so that's nice. I'm not sure if it comes with like all-wheel drive or if it's just two-wheel drive. I'm not totally sure on that one. But it looks good. And definitely seems like a pretty good trim overall. Which one would I go with? Well, honestly, it's like, with where the price is, I'd probably go with this, or maybe like the in-trim variant that they have on the other one. But either way, seems like a pretty nice little vehicle. I'm not sure how it actually like sits in it, so I'd have to, hopefully at the next car show we get to go to, hopefully be able to check out the front and back seats to see how it actually feels. But overall, the styling on these in trims seem to be pretty good from Hyundai. So, anyways, guys, let me know what trim you guys would go with on the Kona, and we will see you guys here next time on the Combustion Guys YouTube channel. Bye-bye.